I opened a new Etsy shop to prove that we can still build a successful shop in late 2023 with no ads. I'm going to share with you the steps that I followed, the analytics, the profit that I made in my first month, and some very useful tips. So watch till the end and don't skip the video. Let's begin. I want to sell digital products, mainly printable posters in my new shop, and my goal is to make 100 sales in my first month. Here are the steps that I followed. The first thing that we need to do to open an Etsy shop is to research and design the product. If you watch my previous videos, you'll know that I love football, so again I made designs about football. To be honest with you, I used 20 old designs to get my shop running, but as you will see later, 20 designs is a small number compared to my final number of listings. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is to watch this video after you finish this one. I'm explaining the research, the design process, and uploading on Etsy. Okay, now you should have one or a couple of designs to get started. The more the better. It's time for step 2. Open an Etsy shop if you don't already have one. I have a link in the description that will give you 40 listings for free. Fill out your info, upload your first design, and make a logo and a banner. Step 3. Upload more listings. Design, upload. Design, upload. Design, upload. Do this very consistently. The more listings you have, the more chances you have to make your first sale. Step 4. Watch this video after you watch this one and after you watch my first recommendation. In this one, I'm explaining how you can make more money using your existing designs. And step 5, repeat steps 3 and 4 all the time. That's all the steps done. I didn't explain them much because I explained them in my previous videos. Now that's out of the way, let's get to the analytics. First, let me clarify that I finished the month with 175 listings, and if we subtract those 20 old designs, I made 155 listings in a month. I'm not playing. I took it seriously. I've put in the effort and that's why it paid off. Let's see the analytics. I opened my shop on 22nd of August and today is the 23rd of September. Let's see the visits first. On my first day I got 1 visit. I made my shop in the evening and I didn't even upload the second design, so I'm barely counting this day. The second day I uploaded a couple of designs and my visits increased. The 5th day I created many designs and this gave a boost to my shop. I thought that my shop was going to blow up quickly, but it didn't until the 20th of September. Obviously my visits didn't drop today, it's just that I'm filming this in the morning. Let's see how many sales I got. Did I hit my goal and got 100 sales? I didn't, but I was close. I got 89 sales from 76 orders. It's a very good result. In my first month, I've sold more items than 77% of Etsy sellers. Let's look at the orders. I got my first order on the 3rd day. That's the fastest sale I've ever made. In my old shop I got my first sale in almost 2 months, but I didn't take it as seriously as this time. Anyway, then almost every day I got sales. And the orders increased in the last days because my visits also increased at the same time. My conversion rate is 3.2%, which is okay, and let's take a look at the revenue. But before we see it, I want you to understand something. We do not care about making money in the beginning. We want to get many sales first to boost our shop. So we need to decrease our prices at the start, which will decrease our profit. After we get at least 100 sales, we will increase our prices a bit. When you reach 1000 sales, you can increase your prices to whatever you want. I don't care if you sell digital or physical products. We do not care about the profit in the beginning. Obviously, we don't want to lose money. Have like 50 cents or $1 profit. Also, I had daily sales scheduled for all the days of the month, so I had very cheap prices by default, and on top of that I had 25 to 40% sale every day. Now that this is clear, I'm going to show you my revenue. It's 264 euros, which is $281. I tried to convert euros to dollars on Etsy, but it didn't let me, so you're going to look at what my daily revenue was in euros. Okay, we do not care about the revenue. The only thing that we care about is how much profit I made. So my new shop in the first month generated 131 euros or $140. This amount is very good for the beginning of a new Etsy shop. As you can see, I had a lot of listing fees because I uploaded a lot and I didn't use any ads to achieve this. The traffic was organic. As you can see, 82% came from Etsy. But I don't know how I brought 18% of the visits. I only brought these 9 people from Pinterest. Anyway, what you need to understand is that you won't achieve this result if you don't take it seriously. I'm sure that when I increase my prices in the near future, this shop will make me $1,000 a month in no time. Make your own Etsy shop if you don't have one. Take it seriously. Stay consistent. Watch my videos and find other good edgy YouTubers to help you. Tell me in the comments if you want me to share my second month results. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.